Once we have covered the ATN network from an end-to-end point of view, it is time to address the different components that an ATN network consists of. As we can see here on the slide, there are two main components. On one side, we have the ATN end systems, which usually they are the DLFEP servers or the DLFEP systems. On the other side, we have the ATN routers, which are in fact the intermediate systems. These intermediate systems are usually ground-ground ATN routers or air-ground ATN routers. As you can imagine, air-ground routers are the ones that are used to interconnect the ground-ground routers with the aircrafts through the BGS stations. On the other side, the ground-ground routers are the ones that are used to exchange traffic between collaterals. Let's see now in detail ATN routers, which are the so-called intermediate systems. As in an IP network, they implement until level 3, until network layer. The two main functions that these kind of routers have are, on the one side, they transmit messages between communication entities through different subnetworks. On the other side, they maintain routing information. As you can see here, these kind of routers use connectionless network protocol. These protocols are displayed here, and we will go through them later on. Additionally, and based on the subnetwork that we have below, they implement different dependency convergence functions. They depend on the subnetwork that we have below. So in case we have an IP network, a LAN subnetwork, or even a mobile subnetwork, they implement these different subnetwork dependence convergence functions. Now it's time to address ATN end systems, or ATN frontends. Since they are end systems, they implement the whole ATN stack, as we can see here. Due to the fact that ATN routers implement connectionless network protocol, end systems have to implement reliable end-to-end data transfer with a connection-oriented protocol, which is the so-called TP4, Transport Protocol, which is a connection-oriented protocol. They maintain limited routing information. We can see here that these end systems are also maintaining some routing information. They also implement here the upper layers in the ATN protocol stack, including applications which make them possible to talk to end users, which are the flight data processing systems.